Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Learn how to host a free website using Google Cloud for beginners. So make sure you will have logged in and we will just free to sign up, free to test and free monthly usage. So we will just tap and get started for free as well. So right now you will just have to agree and continue with your Google sign up. So from here you will just have to add your payment method or get start for free. So you will just have to type for organization name and your legal name and the street address and suit occupation and city and postal code, and after you'll just have to get save. And after when you just sign up and you will be just like this, and entries sites classic sites only, you will just have to create a new site or copy existing sites. So we will just tab on it as well after when you just put your payment method, and this is will just show you how to create a free website hosting on using of Google Cloud. And if I just scroll down, so there are many much more things to get learn from it. And in the left side, as you can see, there is a protocol guide, Java guide, and Python and Google sites gadgets also as well. And it will just show you the complete step-by-step guide how to create a hosting website right over here. So it will also just show you the download list of dependents and download the sample applications, which is the latest version of data samples Java Zip. So it is a very long, so you will just read it later and you will just have to practice on it for creating a free website on it. So that's it. Thank you so much.